Hello, dear friends. Today we will discuss the Internal External Audits Inspections module from the Safety and Quality section. This module is essential for creating and viewing audit inspections conducted on the vessel. It also allows you to monitor deadlines and review all the observations identified during the inspection. When you enter the Internal External Audits Inspections module, you will see a list of categories on the left where records of all inspections and audits are stored. Above this list, there is a search field where you can find the specific inspection or audit record you need. Below the categories list, we have functionality for creating, editing, and deleting categories. The main part of the screen displays a table with all the audit and inspection records already entered into the system. In the main table, you will see the inspection name, its details, and a days remaining column that shows how many days are left until the next inspection, check, or audit. You can also view the electronic documents attached to the record by clicking on the file icon in the audit row. Above the table, there is a selection window with a list of vessels, allowing you to select multiple vessels to display inspection audit records for several vessels at once. Additionally, on the right side above the table, there are three buttons. Add. Clicking this button opens a window where you can enter all the details of the inspection, audit, and add it to the system. Print. The system will generate a report listing all audits, inspections on board. Save order. This button allows you to save the display order of the positions in the table, which applies to all accounts in the system. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will take a closer look at the Internal External Audits Inspections module and explain how to work with it. See you in next video.